guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sushma, and in today's video you're going to see a vlog.
Hi.
We are basically going to a dam which is named Red Mane Dam. Mid Mane Dam, which is near my hometown. So let us see how the dam looks and the fun we are going to have. And are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes, I think yes. Okay, let us start and see how it looks, and please follow us and enjoy.
Hi.
We have just started and it's around 13 to 14 kilometers from my hometown, and it takes us around 20 to 25 minutes to reach there. So let's go! Achu, shall we go? Yes!
శ్రీకాంత్ నాంపల్లి చూడు అక్కడ ఒక కొండ పాము మీద చూడు.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, you made me happy for a while. The fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know.
In about 20 minutes time we reached there and we started exploring the place.
Watch this spark so far.
Due to corona, lockdown, etc., most of us were not able to get out of our house, and most of us kind of stuck to our homes and lost connect with the nature. So this was a very relaxing and refreshing trip, though it was a very small trip, and it was very nice to see the Mane River, which is so big, and it was a pleasing experience to the eyes, and we all had a great family time because it's been a long time we have spent enough time with the family. And yes, this is a good experience we had. Although the project, the Big Mane project, is under progress, and we were not even able to see the gates of the dam because it is under construction and renovation. But overall, the experience was very good and refreshing.
Hey guys, we have come to Nampally temple after the visit to the Mid Mane. Here it has a beautiful snake-like structure, as you can see in my background, and also a Krishna on the above. I'll show that in another clip. And now we are getting inside the snake and see beautiful sculptures and a god too. So let's go inside.
Here we can see beautiful sculptures which look like exact human beings, and seems they have life in them. And this is one of the tourist spot here near my hometown, which is called Nampalli Gutta. Basically here Lord Narasimha Swami resides, and as we are inside the body of the snake, as we go further, we can see many sculptures explaining us the story of Lord Prahalada and Narasimha Avatar. So basically we can see the story of Prahlada here as we move forward in the form of statues. This is the outer side, outer skin of the snake. So basically we are inside the body of the snake. This sculpture is very interesting to me. It is so good, so we were trying to pose like the statues there. And overall the sculptures were good, and we were not allowed to take the pictures or video of the god, so I couldn't take any. And yeah, that's it. After the darshan of God, we are back to home, and this was a small trip and a very relaxing and refreshing trip after a very long time. That's it. If you like the video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it.